is calling 2024 CR 3860 State versus Zion Taylor. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Pitlife for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Totally Hernandez on behalf of Mr. Taylor.
And are you Mr. Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Taylor, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we are not. We are proceeding for the lesser included Class A misdemeanor assault.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
The state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of Class A misdemeanor assault. That's a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to a $4,000 fine and 1 year in the Bexar County Jail?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Taylor, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you into this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of a Class A misdemeanor assault. There's a $500 fine. There's to be restitution, if any, to Joshua Norton, and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 80 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
State Officer States Exhibit 1 and all attachments, Your Honor.
We have no objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
Why are you doing this? This is silly. What, somebody, your friend, That was your friend, right?
No,
Not just someone I know of.
On social media?
No.
All right, well, well, what am I reading here? It says victim and suspect. I'm assuming he's SP1.
he is, Judge, and it may be a little bit off there. This had to do with the victims. The victim has a child with a woman that used to be his girlfriend, and now an ex-girlfriend.
No, it says victim and suspect are acquaintances and social media friends.
They are not friends, Judge, or acquaintances. They only know each other through an ex-girlfriend and
On
child
social
that they
media?
had. No, so the social media, Judge, was when the victim was reaching out to Zion.
All right,
They're
so
not
today the
social
victim
media.
messaged suspect via social media saying
Yes.
that his girlfriend was not faithful to him.
Instagram.
All right, so he goes on Instagram and says that your girlfriend's not faithful to you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so then you decide to go to his house for what purpose?
The whole reason why I went to his house was to get her from what happened with the police and what happened over there. I was just going to go pick her up because he took her phone. He called me, and he had her on the ground. She was crying. She called the police from another person, like 2 houses down.
That's not what it says in this police report. It says that he calls saying that your girlfriend is unfaithful. And I'm assuming this was his previous girlfriend.
Yes.
All right. So I don't understand why somebody picks up the phone and tells you your girlfriend is unfaithful. Your answer to that is let me go over to their house. And if you think they're in distress, I don't understand why you won't call the police.
It's a little bit more involved, Judge. There's 2 separate locations. The police were called to the initial location. And one of the witnesses, Kayla Gonzalez, who was his ex-girlfriend, and the complaining witness's baby mama, the less
Mother of his
mother of her
child.
child. Yes, thank you, Judge. There was an incident that happened there, but the victim had already left. The police came to that location. They asked for, I'm sorry, Caitlin and Caitlin asked if the police would go with them to get her phone. They said no. So
Mhm.
they relocated to the second location.
So they said
That's when
no.
everything happened over the.
So the
second
police
location.
said, no, we're not going with you to get your phone.
They said they didn't need to.
Okay, so they said, the police is like, yeah, I don't need to go with you to get your phone. So then your answer was, you know what? I'm going to go get the phone.
Yes.
That doesn't make sense to me. And I believe there's more going on because in the police report, it says that he told you that she was being unfaithful. How old are you?
I just turned 23 in February.
All right, so here's the thing, and this is a lesson that somebody should have told you and maybe you need to learn. You need to think before you act. And all of these people who think they're in these serious relationships and this is going to be the person I'm with for the rest of my life, sometimes it's not. Sometimes that's just a phase.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
everything, there's a season.
Yes, ma'am.
But what I will tell you is that if you would have ended up at the location where that person was doing this, and if they would have shot you, you know what would have ended up happening? People would have said, oh, he was over here causing trouble, talking about his girlfriend had been cheating on him. Your mom would have been on social media or Facebook doing a GoFundMe page for your funeral. And that person would, maybe charges would have been brought, maybe it would have been a jury trial, and they would have found him not guilty because they would have said it's self-defense because you were at their place.
Yes, ma'am.
And then according to this, you go up to his place and you show up with other people. So there we go. And as a side note, did that hurt putting that piercing in your cheek, upper cheek?
No, ma'am. I prefer piercings over tattoos.
Oh, okay. All right. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm an HVAC tech.
And are you still with the girl in this?
No, ma'am. It's been over 2 years.
See, that's what I mean. Everything is a season.
Yes, ma'am.
And as a side note, do not get involved with other people who are bringing a lot of baggage.
Yes, ma'am.
Suitcases get heavy. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's a $500 fine that would be probated. Restitution, if any, and no contact with Joshua Norton. 80 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order anger management. Once that's done, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors, field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. And just 1 moment. All right, and what's the girl's name?
Caitlin Gonzalez.
Caitlin Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and there's to be no contact with Caitlin Gonzalez.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you decide to get back together, let her know you can't until your probation is over with. And that's CAITLYN.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm spelling it for probation
Oh.
purposes. And that's Gonzalez with an S. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else?
No.
All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed this plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you. Make better choices.
Oh.
All right, thank you.